I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to do a second video on the infamous loose Kwikset doorknob. I got this doorknob and it's loose. I can't find any screws to tighten it up, so I pry away at the rose and I get the rose off in the door, and I still can't get to the darn screws. Well, it's a Kwikset, and I look on the edge here, you can see an arrow here. And this arrow, this plate, is what locks this crazy doorknob on the door. So I pry up on the arrow all the way, and it comes off just like that. So now I got the plate off, I can retighten the screws and get the doorknob so it's not wiggling on the door anymore. Tighten them both up evenly before you cover it up. Make sure the handle works good. It's tight. So now when we put this back on, it's called the rose, this little trim here. We have it out of our way and we put it onto the door, and then here's the secret. This crazy little arrow here. When you push down on the arrow, it locks this plate onto the trim. And now I can take the rose, I can snap it back in place, and there it is. And I get the rose back on, and there, as easy as that, this doorknob is put back together. So there it is. Tighten up a Kwikset doorknob. A quick tip from MrHardware.com.